Hi dear Aquarius, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading for the remaining days of January 2021. So let's quickly see what you and your partner are feeling right now and the outcome of this, okay? So your partner right now is in this mode of hurt and pain. Three of Swords is there. So they are hurting over something. Maybe you had a fight or maybe you had a conflict with your partner, and they are right now in the zone of hurt, and they are like not behaving well with you or not emoting what they are feeling right now, and this is making you sad as well because your energy is the Seven of Pentacles. So you are waiting for that communication to come out. You are waiting for your partner to come and say something to you and emote what they are really feeling about this particular relationship or you in general. So basically you both are he or she is hurt, your partner is hurt, and you are waiting for this communication to come and to communicate really well with them to sort out this particular problem, okay? How they see you, they want to reconciliate with you, they want a reconciliation, they want to celebrate life with you, they want to love you, they want to give you all their beautiful things in life that they have right now. On the other hand, what you feel for them is the King of Wands energy. So you feel them that they are very passionate person, very stable or stable minded. Emotionally they are not that much emotional, they are practical, but they are very passionate about everything in their life, or so they are passionate about this particular relationship as well, okay? So right now they want a reconciliation from their side, and you want them to come and communicate well with them, and you know that this is a very passionate person and they will eventually come to communicate, but right now you are maybe in the waiting zone right now, okay? What they feel for this relationship right now is the Death card. So it is kind of they want to end not the relationship, they don't want to end the relationship, they want to end the conflict that is going on between you guys, and they want a rebirth, or they want a new start in this relationship, they want a new happiness in this relationship. So whatever happened in the past, they want it to let it go and start a new beginning, start a new relationship with you. And the same thing, you also want the same thing. This is the Ace of Swords. So you for this particular relationship, you also feel like, okay, there is lots of conflicts going on, there's lots of things that is not working out in this relationship, but still you want a new beginning, a new start. After cutting out all the toxicity, after cutting out all the negative communication, whatever happened in the past, you both want a new start from this particular relationship right now, okay? Maybe they are taking a step back, or maybe they are making you feel like they are not interested anymore, or they are like kind of hurt, or they are kind of not interested to make this relationship work out. But trust me, they are in the zone of reconciliation. They also want a new beginning as you want it, okay? And what they want from this relationship, see, this is the Star card. So they want a new beginning, they are very hopeful, they are feeling like, yes, this is a beautiful relationship and things will eventually work out in this particular relationship. Things will eventually work out in this particular relationship, and they are feeling this because they know that you love them and they love you too. So they know that they are very hopeful that yes, no matter how hard it is looking right now, eventually you will come to them, or they will come to them and communicate, okay? And what you want from this relationship is the Five of Wands. So you want from this relationship is the conflict to get over. There's some kind of inner conflict, or maybe fights or quarrels, or there's something that is bothering both of you in this particular relationship, and you want this conflict to get over and start from the beginning and start a new relationship with the same person, okay? And the outcome from their side is the Knight of Swords. They will come to you like from nowhere, and they will start communicating with you from nowhere. They want a reconciliation, they want love, they want happiness from this relationship, and they want a new start. So they will come running out of nowhere. So this is a very fast energy. They will come out, they will come and reach you, and they will not even let you speak. They will speak like, okay, this happened, that is like that, this is like that, I want to happily live with you, I want to reconciliate, I am sorry about this, I am sorry about that. This is the type of communication coming to you in these remaining days. And from your side, the outcome is the King of Pentacles. So you are waiting for them, obviously you are waiting for them, but right now you are also working on yourself only, your financial stability, your looks, your everything. So you are basically focused on yourself right now. On the other hand, they want a reconciliation, they want a happily ever after kind of energy, and they are coming in very fastly with a very rushy kind of energy they are coming in, okay? And the opportunity for growth for this particular relationship is Page of Wands. This is a happy news coming in. this is a communication coming in. So the universe is telling you to communicate openly with this particular person or relationship, so that things will turn out to be good in this particular relationship. And guidance from the universe is the High Priestess. So don't be so secretive, don't be so mysterious. Please go and talk to them openly, communicate with them openly, so that this relationship will work out the way you want it to be. Okay, so this is the guidance from the universe for you guys, Aquarius. So thank you so much for listening. This is all I have for you guys, and I hope it will help you out in taking a decision. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste, and do subscribe as well. Thank you. Namaste.